Students, Anjula Agarwal. Now your exams are very near and you have to take quick revision. So today I have taken the first chapter of class 10, that is A Letter to God, and the writer of this G.L. Fuentes. Now I am telling you this story in very short. The story A Letter to God is about Lencho's firm faith in God. Lencho is a hard-working farmer. His crops need a shower, but the heavy hailstone destroys the crops. He feels that only God can help him. He writes a letter to God and he requested the God to send him for 100 pesos. The postmaster reads Lencho's letter. He does not want to shake Lencho's faith in God. He collects money from his colleagues and sends it to Lencho by signing it as God. When Lencho saw this letter, he became very angry because he had demanded 100 pesos and God has sent only 70 pesos. Lencho writes to God not to send the rest of the money through mail. He does not have faith in the people working from the post office. Now, as you have seen that Lencho was a very simple farmer, and who is very hardworking. And this story setting is in a rural area in Mexico. Lencho, a farmer, who is the main character of this story, and there is a postmaster who is amiable, helping person. And now I am asking you some question. We will discuss here. First is, what did Lencho hope for? Lencho hoped for that it would rain and the rain would provide him good harvest. Now see question number 2. How did the rain change? The rain changed into raindrops. Next, what happened to Lencho's field? Lencho's fields were covered with white salt and crops were completely destroyed. Now see next question. What were Lencho's feelings when the hail stops? Lencho became very sad. He was in sorrowful mood. Next question is, what did Lencho have faith in? Lencho had faith in God. Next, to whom did he write a letter to God? To whom he had written the letter? To God, as it is very clear from the title. Next question is, who opened it? It means the letter. Who opened it? The letter opened कौन? The postmaster opened it. Next is, what did the postmaster do then? He decided to help him. Him means Lencho. Next, how many pesos he sent to Lencho? How many? He sent 70 pesos. What was the reaction of Lencho finding a letter with money in it? Now Lencho became angry because he had demanded 100 pesos and there were only 70. He demanded 100 pesos. And now he decided that he would not write the letter to God through the post office because he did not believe on the postal officials. Now I think you are able to understand. Lencho is a very hard-working farmer, believer in God, but his crops perished. He is firm and positive, very simple, knave, does not have faith in human beings, and he called the post office official as a bunch of crooks. Thank you, students.